In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily lock exposure on a camera on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Camera app. On an iPhone, we are able to adjust auto exposure, and also we are able to lock exposure on a camera, and I'm gonna show you both of these ways. To adjust auto exposure, tap right here at that arrow, then tap at that icon, and that's where we can configure auto exposure. We can move it to the right to make our photos brighter, to increase the exposure, and also we can move it to the left to reduce it. Also, we can lock the exposure on a camera app. All you have to do is just long press on a screen on an object for which you would like to lock the exposure, just like that, until it shows you auto exposure and autofocus lock, and in that mode exposure will remain the same for that object. Basically, guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.